you, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I wanted to share with you, I don't know how new this is. I will tell you that I don't know how new this is, but I was sort of browsing on the MAC website and I saw this collection for the Ruby Crew collection. It's like 3 sort of Ruby Woo inspired lip colors. I thought now it's like the perfect time to do that because now we are busting out the red lips. So there are 3 lip colors in this collection. Of course, you have your original Ruby Woo, you have your Ruby New, and you have your Ruby Boo. So I picked up all 3 of them. Do you need all 3 of them? No, you do not. But I needed all 3 of them, so I picked them up. Now, when I was on the MAC website, sort of browsing, I noticed that the only one that was available was the Ruby Woo. So I picked up the Ruby Woo. I actually picked up the Ruby Woo from Ulta. Ulta also only had the Ruby Woo available. Now I don't think they have any of them available, but Macy's has all 3 of them available if you want to pick them up. I wanted to do sort of a lip swatch. I think you're just going to see the same red lip 3 times, but I wanted to lip swatch all 3 of them with you. First, let me stop talking and show them to you. They are in 3 different formulas. So this is what the collection looks like. If I can get it together, this is what the collection looks like. And of course you have your Ruby Woo and your Retro Matte. Classic Retro Matte Ruby Woo. We all have it. It's just in a special packaging. You have your, I think this is the Powder Kiss. Yeah, you have your Ruby New in the Powder Kiss formula. And you have your Ruby Boo in the Powder Kiss Liquid Lip Color formula. So they look like that. I am going to try them all on. I am, of course, going to try the Ruby Woo last because that formula is super dry into my lips. But let us zoom on in here. And the first one that I am going to try actually will be just the Powder Kiss lipstick. And that is your Ruby New. I love how they just have these wonky letters on it. And the red is my favorite color. So I like how they have that red packaging. The Powder Kiss formula, they say it has the zero shine look of a matte lipstick with the cushiony lightweight feel of a balm. So that's perfect if you don't want to try that retro matte, but you want it to have the look. I'm taking some of my lip serum off. You want the look of a matte, but you don't want that dryness from a matte. I say try the Powder Kiss, and we are going to go ahead and try this on. And I am absolutely horrible with red lipsticks. As you can see, it pretty much glided on like effortlessly. And it has the least little bit of a shine, but it does give you sort of that effect of a semi-matte lipstick, and it is very, very comfortable. So this is the Ruby New. Alright, so the next one that I am going to try is the Powder Kiss Liquid Lip Color. And that is Ruby Boo. That is the cutest name, Ruby Boo. So that's what it looks like. And the Ruby Boo, let's see. The formula. Says a special blend of vitamin E powders and emollient properties provide excellent cushion, flexibility, and wear and moisture that will leave lips looking and feeling soft and smooth all day. It says it has an hourglass shaped applicator which perfectly hugs the lips to fill in lines and enhance lips with a smoothing and blurring effect. Let us see. So this is what, and you look like you get a good bit amount of product on it. This is the hourglass shaped applicator. And I should have another mirror, but love, love, love. This one, sorry, this one, okay, they don't exactly look the same. I like that. I like this. So this one is super interesting to me. This one has it's really smooth, but it feels like moussey at the same time. It feels like it wants to go matte on you, but it's not going to completely dry down. The pigmentation is amazing, and they did not lie. This one does sort of fill in. Did I no, that's just my little wrinkles. It does sort of blur the wrinkles in your lips. I mean, you can still see them, but it does sort of blur. And here I am being messy with it, but that is really pretty. Also, I am one who will not wear a lip liner with my red lipsticks. The way you see them is the way you are going to see them. I love the way this looks without a lip liner. So this is Ruby Boo. All right, so I am going to put on this is not even a try with me because we all know Ruby Woo. I am going to put that on my lips now, and this is what the packaging for Ruby Woo looks like, and which sparked all of the other two lip colors. And this one is a retro matte. So I put on my lips, which I do whenever I'm putting on any matte lipsticks, my 5 o'clock Beauty lip serum. If you do not have any, get it. You can use it at night. You can also use it under your matte lipstick so they do not dry your lips out so much. I am going to just blot a little bit of it off. And we are going to apply Ruby Woo, which is one of my absolute favorite red lipsticks. And if you don't have a Ruby Woo in your collection, I don't know who you are. I don't know why you on my channel, because this is the OG. It was always either that and I think Max, what is it called, Perfect Red, that were always my favorite red lipsticks. Everybody can always tell when you have on a Ruby Woo because it is that iconic. But because I have that lip serum on, it does not feel as retro matte. That retro matte formula is brutal, but either it's my lip serum or they kind of changed the formula a little bit so it's not as drying. Either way, oh my god, I'm so light. Okay. Either way, it feels really, really comfortable on my lips. I absolutely love this blue red shade to the lipstick, and Ruby Woo is going to be one of those lip colors that is always going to be in my collection. So once again, this is the Ruby Crew collection, and you have your Ruby Boo, your Ruby Woo, and your Ruby New. They are available once again on the Macy's website, and I think they are even actually on sale. Let's see. Yeah, as of, what is today? Today is December the 3rd. If you put in the code FRIEND, you can get a discount on the lip colors. So they're pretty pricey though without it. Like the liquid lip color, Powder Kiss liquid lip color, is normally $27. If you put in the code FRIEND, it's $22.95. The regular lipstick is $24, and with the code it's $20.40. So go ahead and pick it up if you can. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed, please make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when I have a new video coming out. Have a great day, and may your day be as flawless as your makeup. Bye.